everyone, this is Hi Korea channel. Okay, today we will learn about Korean numbers. Okay, in Korean there are two types of numbers. Is native Korean number, and the second one is sino Korean number. But today we will learn first the sino Korean number. Okay, let's learn from 1 to 10. Okay, the sino Korean number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's read it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next. Okay, the last is sheep. Okay, for 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, next. Okay, here we learn 10 is sheep, 20 is sheep, because the 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, when we make it 10, it will become sheep. And for 20, sheep, sheep. For 30, sheep. For 40, 40. For 50, 50. For 60, 60. For 70, 70. For 80, 80. For 90, 90. 100, you cancel this one, it will become back. Okay, let's read it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, next. Okay, this is back. And for 200, it is E back. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. And for 1000, 1000. 1000. Okay, for 1000, 1000. Okay, we learn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1000, 1000. 2000, 2000. 2000, 2000. 3000, 3000. 4000, 4000. 5000, 5000. 6000, 6000. 7000, 7000. 8000, 8000. 9000, 9000. Okay, let's read it again. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. And for 10,000, man. Okay, for example, 1000, it is 1000. 500, it is 500. When you have 1,500 pesos, 1,500. Okay, example, you have 2000 E 1000 1000. And you have 300 some back. 12,300. This is man for 10,000. In English, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. You have 만, 이천, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 12,300. 12,300. For simpler explanation, okay, in English, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. But in Korean, they start counting from tens. 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만. Okay, for example, we have 300. So the hundreds is back and the 3 is some. So this is some back. For 1,000, thousands, 천. And if it is 4,000, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 4천. For example, 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5천. 5천, 5,000. For 10,000, 10,000 만. So for 20,000, 2만. Okay, just still here. So let's try to count using money. Okay, let's count. So this is 20. 20, 20. Okay, 20. So if 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. So if 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. If 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80. Okay, for 50, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. Okay, back. This is back. 100, back. Okay, for 200, 1, 2, 200, E back. E back. For 300, 1, 2, 3, 3 back. 3 back. Okay, for 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. This is 1,000. And for 2,000, 1, 2, 2천. 2천. For 3,000, 3천. 3천. For 4,000, 4천. 4천. 5,000, 5천. 5천. For 6,000, 6천. 6천. 7,000, 7천. 7천. For 8,000, 8천. 9,000, 9천. 9천. And for 10,000, 만. Okay, for example, we have 220. So 200 for 200, 200, 20, 20. Okay, next. For example, we have 70. Okay, for example, we have 70. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70. Okay, for example, we have 270. So 200, 7, 70. So 270. 270. Okay, this is 1000. If we add 200, so this will become 1000, 1000, 1200, 1200. So if we add 50, so it will become 1250. 1000, 1000, 250. 1250. So if you have 2, this is 2000, 2000, 2000 plus 50, so 2050. 2050. Okay, that's all for today. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다. 화이팅! 안녕!